How to reset or change your password in Bolt. Forgot your password or just want to change it? Here's how you can do that easily. First, open Bolt app, tap the menu icon, and go to Profile Settings. Select Password or Account Security, then tap Reset Password. You'll receive a reset link on your registered email. Open it and set a new password. Once updated, go back to Bolt and log in using your new credentials. Use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your Bolt account secure. Have you ever needed to reset your Bolt password? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can reset or change your password in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.